Hello, this is Hassan Akhtar, and today we are going to talk about the I sound. This is again a dip song, and rather we should call it a trip song. Yes, I guess. I'm sorry. And this is here where we do this. We combine the three short vowel sounds into one compact whole, and it becomes A. As in higher or fire or mire or dire. Okay, for example, there is a dire need of a revolution in Pakistan. The manner of articulation of this sound is very important. Again, what we do, how should I make you understand? In Urdu, it's alif madda, and then it comes down I, and then it rises again a. Higher. The higher and higher I rose, the smaller the people on the earth looked. Okay, a. This is a trick song and very important sound. But what we Urdu speakers do is that we amalgamate in this sound some other sound, higher, or we say higher, okay, which is incorrect, which is not suitable for English language. Dire, buyer, higher, liar, mire, or sire, and tyre, and wire, attire, or skyer, and so on. Now we look at some sentences in which this sound is there. On a higher building yesterday, we planned a bonfire. Try to understand the sound. On a higher building yesterday, we planned a bonfire and it was so beautiful. I desire that my friends never conspire against me. Two I sounds as in desire and conspire. It's not desire. I desire my friends conspired. No. I desire that my friends never conspire against me. Fine. And this is how you look really beautiful when you pronounce it. Repeating it again, as I have always told you, there is not a great margin between speaking just English and speaking good English. If you want to speak good English, what you have to do is very simple. Correct your sounds, pay attention and rehearse and practice how to pronounce better sounds. If your sounds are fine, if you say I instead of I, and if you say I instead of I, and so on, you are going to sound sweeter and cuter. Believe me. As usual, I'm giving some 5 or maybe 6 sentences in the description. You can go there and correct your I sound. This is again very beautiful. That's it for today. See you next time.